Just one body with different parts. So the body lived in peace and harmony because each part loved and respected the other. Until one day, out of the blue, the eyes started being boastful to the other parts and they said, fellow members, you know what? I am the most important part of this body because I'm the one who sees the way. I give light to the body. So, without me, the whole body will be in darkness. As from today, you must all bow for me. Sure, the whole body was in shock, but the nose quickly interrupted and it said, no, eyes. I'm also important here because I'm the one who circulates air into this body. I breathe in and out. So, without me, the whole body will suffocate and die. Even the mouth felt its importance and it said, I'm also important here because I'm the one who feeds this body to be nourished. So without me, the whole body would starve and die. The power struggle went on. Even the ears felt its importance and they said, I'm also important here because I'm the one who listens. The power struggle went on and on and on and on and on and on. Each part wanting to be the best part of the body. Even the heart, the most loving part of the body, going do. God itself involved into this power struggle and it said, the body can live without the eye, the body can live without the ear, but the body cannot live without the heart because life is in the heartbeat. It's the first sound which was created. The power struggle went on and on and on and on and on and on. The body was now in disharmony. There was no more love, no more respect. But there was only one part which didn't get involved into this power struggle, which was the brains. And they interrupted and they said, quiet now. You are all going to listen to me. You know what? We are all important here because we complement each other. Each and every part of the body has a special quality. So eyes, you are the one who started this foolish argument and you must apologize to the other parts of the body.